Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 720, and today's topic of my lecture is the health benefits of rice bran oil. This rice bran oil is not popular in Africa and some other remote area, but rice bran oil is now getting lot of popularity in Asian countries like in Japan, China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and especially in Japan. They have declared rice bran oil as the health food. They have listed one of the best oil, cooking oil. And this is extracted from the bran of rice after the milling of the rice. The bran is separated, and the bran was waste material. It was treated as a waste material because technology was not high. So it was either used as a source of some animal feed, or sometimes in India especially they were using as a energy source to cook the food on that, and they never expected the extraction of oil. But nowadays it is very popular in Asian countries, that is rice bran oil. And rice bran oil contains mainly the glycerides of unsaturated fatty acid. It is having very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and that's why it is very healthy for three type of people. First, those who are having some cardiac problem or cardiovascular disease. In that condition, this oil is given because it is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, and especially these antioxidants, they can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, and they can clear, they can damage most of the free radicals which are produced in metabolic process in our body. And these free radicals are capable of damaging and destroying our genetic material, DNA, RNA, and also normal cells. So these free radicals are very, very dangerous to our health. And also this oil, that is rice bran oil, is good, and it will not allow premature aging. Premature aging means once you are having oxidative stress, means you can get any type of disease very frequently. So it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, and also it plays very important role in maintaining the sugar level in our blood, especially those who are suffering from diabetes 2. And this oil can activate or stimulate the pancreas, so that insulin resistance will not be there, and the insulins which are produced, it is taken by the cells. So this is also helping in maintaining the sugar level. And also those who are having the ratio of good cholesterol and bad cholesterol not proper, means where the LDL percentage is more, and that LDL means low density lipoprotein, is dangerous for our cardiac health. It allows the formation of blood clot, and that blood clot may lead to either stroke or heart attack. And these two compounds, I have already given the structure here. One is oryzanol. This oryzanol is having cyclopentanophrenesine nucleus, means it is a type of steroidal nucleus with one benzene ring with phenolic group and keto group. And this oryzanol, this is found in rice bran oil, is very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And second one is, that is tocotrienol. This tocotrienol is also very powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It will drastically reduce your swelling and inflammation of your arteries or anywhere in the body. So these two compounds which are present in rice bran oil is playing very important role. And secondly, it is rich in fat soluble vitamin, that is your vitamin E. So these three antioxidant, anti-inflammatory is making rice bran oil is very good from health point of view. And the other factor is that this oil, mostly in Asia and Africa, we are using deep fried food like fish, like yam or pakodi, samosa, kachori, so many things, puri. So for that this oil is good because it is having high smoke point. High smoke point means that oil is not going to give smoke even if temperature is more than 300 degree Fahrenheit, because the smoke point of this rice bran oil is close to 500 degree Fahrenheit. So because of this smoke point, it at high temperature it will not react with oxygen, and once it is not reacting with oxygen, there will not be formation of free radicals. That is also one of the quality of the rice bran oil. Unsaturated fatty acids is also one of the quality. So all together it is one of the good oil. And in Nigeria this rice bran oil is not popular. I think if there is, because they have already groundnut oil, that itself is good from health point of view, but it can be better than groundnut oil. So here the health benefits of rice bran oil, and the botanical name is Oryza sativa, and it belongs to family Gramineae. Number 1, rice bran oil is extracted from rice bran, the outer layer of rice grain. Actually rice bran is the outer layer of rice grain, and it is commonly used as cooking oil in many countries in Asia like India, Japan, China. And number 2, rice bran was discarded as waste product after the milling of rice, but now it is used to extract oil, and recently it has gained lot of attention for its potential health benefits as a vegetable oil. And number 3, rice bran oil provides the healthy nutrients. 1 tablespoon, that is 40 ml, is packed with 120 calories energy, 12 gram of fat, and it contains 29% of daily value for vitamin E, that is fat soluble vitamin, and then involved in immune function and as antioxidant. So this vitamin E, as we know, it is very good to enhance our body immune system, and at the same time it is a very good antioxidant. The rice bran oil is good source of unsaturated fatty acid also. Number 4, it may support blood sugar level. Rice bran oil may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin resistance. Actually all these points I have already discussed. This write-up I have given, so that those who are interested, they can copy down in the form of note. Number 5, rice bran oil may promote health. And recently rice bran oil is recognized in Japan as a healthy food, that is health food, and because of its cholesterol lowering effect. And this rice bran oil significantly can lower bad cholesterol, that is LDL. And once bad cholesterol is significantly lower, it means the risk of stroke and heart is drastically reduced, because it can reduce the oxidative stress. So number 6 is the rice bran oil is powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. There are several phytochemicals and the most important ones are like oryzanol, and I have given the structures. Oryzanol, it is steroidal nucleus and which suppress drastically the inflammation. And the second one is tocotrienol. This toco, actually it is similar to like tocopherol, but tocotrienol is another very powerful antioxidant along with vitamin E, that is fat soluble, are powerful antioxidants. Number 7, rice bran oil has anti-cancer effects also, and that is latest research, because a lot of research is going on and rice bran oil is gaining lot of popularity now, and I wish that in Nigeria let people start using rice bran oil in place of groundnut oil in case where they have some problem of cancer cell or cardiac condition. And that is cancer effects. Tocotrienols. This tocotrienol are a group of powerful antioxidants, and these powerful antioxidants, that tocotrienol plays very important role to drastically reduce the oxidative stress, and it will not allow the cells to become abnormal, cancerous. That's why it is having anti-cancer effect. And a group of powerful antioxidants in rice bran oil which have anti-cancer properties. Number 8, recent studies indicate that rice bran oil may combat bad breath. Also now, very recently, in some research papers it is mentioned that those people who are using rice bran oil, it controls their mouth bad breath also. So it's also another good property, and also it promote health, skin health. It's very clear, because any oil which is containing lot of powerful antioxidants means it will drastically reduce oxidative stress. And here the antioxidants are, one is that is your vitamin E, and second one is tocotrienols, and also third one is that is oryzanol. So these phytochemicals are very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and that's why they can take care of your skin, and your skin will not be having premature aging, lining or wrinkle, all these things. Rice bran oil is versatile and has high smoke point. That is also another very good point. High smoke point I have already discussed a lot. It will not allow the production of free radicals once you are frying, deep frying some of the food material. It will not contain with free radicals. That is the main chemistry here, that once the oils, vegetable oils which we are using, if their smoke point is not high, then once you are frying your food like yam or fish or anything, it will contain lot of free radicals, impurities, contamination, and these free radicals once you are eating, it will go to your body and they are capable of damaging your good normal cells. And once your millions of good normal cells are damaged, it means any disease you can get. Your immune system will be weak. Smoke point and mild flavor make it ideal for deep fries and for making soups. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and I know very well that at moment India is one of the largest producer of rice bran oil, and if you get chance to get rice bran oil for cooking purpose, especially for senior citizen, it is recommended. Thank you very much once again for watching the lecture.